going on a field trip. We're at a farm and we're gonna see a whole bunch of animals. Let's go see some cows. Look, a cow. This cow is black and white. Look, a brown cow. He's eating hay. Look, it's a baby cow and another baby cow. We call these calves. This calf is eating. Hi, baby calf. What do cows make that we drink? I know, they make milk. When we pet the animals, how do you think we should pet them? Softly and gently? Definitely. Let's go in the sheep pen and pet some sheep. Look at all these sheep. What do sheep say? Sheep say, bah, bah. These sheep are eating. Look how fluffy their fur is. So fluffy. Sheep come in lots of colors too. Look, we got a black sheep over here, a white sheep. There's even different colors of brown. Let's say bye to the sheep. Bye, sheep. Bye. See you later. Look, these llamas are eating. Oh, look, a donkey. Let's see if we can pet the donkey. Nice donkey. What does a donkey say? Hee-haw, hee-haw. Oh, look over there, I see some horses. Wow, they're so beautiful. They're different colors. Oh yeah, H is our letter of the day, and horse begins with H. Horse. Look, it's a tiny horse. We call these ponies. Look at the ponies. Look, this is a white pony. I want to show you my favorite animal. It's a baby goat. Look how cute they are. These baby goats are all cuddled together. The goats are eating hay. This one is sleeping. Shh. Look, tiny baby pigs. And there must be Mummy Pig. Mummy Pig and two piglets. Look at their tails wagging. That's so cute. Pigs say, oink, oink. Look at all the pigs. Whoa, look at this really cool tractor. It has really big back tires and small front tires, a steering wheel. Whoa. And what color is it? It's the color blue. Are there bunnies in there? This bunny is black and white. Look, his little nose moves. What do bunnies do? They hop, hop, hop. This bunny's white and brown. She looks like she's drinking water. Look at these bunnies cuddling together. Ducks are swimming. What do ducks say? Quack, 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 quack. Look, there's birds. There's a rooster. Wait, I hear a rooster sound. Sounds like cock-a-doodle-doo. There's a peacock on this farm too. Look, a turkey. What did turkeys say? Gobble, 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 gobble. Look, we found some chickens. This one has really big feathers on its head. These ones are sleeping. Look, this chicken laid eggs. I had a really fun time at the farm. Thanks for coming. I hope you enjoyed the field trip. If you want to see the full episode where we learn all about farm animals and the letter H, then be sure to check out my channel. Just search for Miss Rebecca's Super Starts. You'll be able to find other preschool learning videos on my channel as well. See you next time!